Hey, and welcome to the Analog Way stand at InfoComm 26. I'm Alex Kirby. I'm the product manager at Analog Way for all of our media server offerings. And here at InfoComm 26, we are launching our brand new product in the CorePlay series, CorePlay Tetra. CorePlay Tetra is a professional quad output media server with 4 DisplayPort 1.4a outputs on the back, able to do everything in that resolution space. And we've built this product on the understanding of, in the world as we're going through in AV now, video is becoming more and more important. Video has become the language of the shows. So whilst that's really important, finding an operator that can operate a high-end media server has become a major issue for our customers. CorePlay is about fixing that problem. It's coming with an operator-focused, simple workflow that relies on reliability, simplicity, and flexibility. So here on our demo here, we have 3 screens up here, all UHD, displaying a combined video playback, and then we also have a small multi-viewer setup in our front of house style setup here. Inside the software, we have a new feature here called Feed Manager, and this is the basis where we build that relationship between what is the playback inside the unit and how those physical outputs exist. So if you can see here, we have a larger than 8K non-standard resolution. It's not 16:9, it's completely custom, and we've mapped our viewports here to our screens in a real-world environment. So we've even adjusted here for the bezeling on these displays that we've got here. Where we use viewports 4 and 5 onto output 4 here is we've built a multi-view look. So inside CorePlay we use a program preview setup, and what we've done here is we've assigned a preview feed and a program feed, so our operator has an exact control over what's on the screen in that moment, and when they take, they'll be able to see what goes onto it next. If we step over to the System I/O page, we can see a nice little mock-up of what the back of the unit looks. It's an ultra high density unit, it's 2RU tool. As I mentioned before, it's got 4 physical outputs for video, but we've also got 4 network ports, 4 USB ports, some of them USB-C, some of them USB-A, 2 timecode inputs, and various ways of getting audio out, including XLR, embedded, or a 32-channel Dante license on the unit. The unit itself, whilst being rock solid, does have a 3-year warranty, so if you ever have a hardware issue, you can send that back to base, and it'll also have lifetime software support. So when we bring new features onto this platform, we won't be asking for you to pay more for that. You'll be getting those free on a software update, no questions asked. The system itself is Linux-based, which again, it speaks to our reliability. It's built for 24/7 operation, 365 days of the year. The system is built to be run, never taken down, and operate in those high-pressure, high-stress environments. Just to finish off, I'll mention again, my name's Alex Kirby. I'm the product manager here for all of our media server solutions here at Analog Way. If you want to find out more about this, either check us out here at the show before we leave, or go to our website, which is analogway.com, and you'll be able to find information about all of our products there.